Hello everyone, welcome to week 4. Now there's two things we are going to go over in week 4. The first major thing is our first programming project that you're going to solo. Now up to now, every week, I've kind of walked you through how to turn things in and how to do things and what to submit. You should hopefully have enough practice with that by now. So this week is the first time you make a project on your own using everything you hopefully have learned so far to build a project. It's going to basically encompass everything we've covered so far. So for example, you're going to need, of course, print statements and things like that. You're going to need variables. You're also going to need stuff we covered like error checking and user input and things like that. Uh, just those things for the most part. Uh, everything we covered, everything we've covered will be in this project. And inversely, nothing in the project, there won't be anything in the project we haven't covered. So everything I'm asking you, we have done in class. And of course, you can always ask me if you need any help. Depending on how the class is set, like if it's online, if it's physical, I have labs where people can come in. If you happen to be like online, for example, well, I'm at school like 2 days a week usually. If it's in the summer, if it's in the regular fall, I'm there pretty much every day. You are welcome to come to like any of my classes or any set office hours I have and ask any questions that you have. There literally are empty labs across the hall from me. You can go and work on and pop over and ask me questions. You can just message me if you have any issues or you want to have any help with any of that. Uh, Now there's also a lecture video, and that'll be over kind of the next section. Ifs. Now this won't be in this project, but it will be in the next one. So just a little introduction in kind of our next section that we're going to cover. Now a little extra addendum for the programming project. I have a video here that walks you through what you need to do. And I have the project itself where you have to actually go in and do the project. And what I'm expecting you to submit is the Python file. If you submit output or something else, that's not the code. I need the code. So make sure you submit the code. Uh, Caveat 2, make sure you do this work. Don't go to, you know, some website, some AI generator thing and tell it to do the code and then submit it. I have like several different versions of of every project for the class that AI has written, and I know what it looks like. And if you turn in one that was written by AI, you will get a 0. Even if you manage to squeak by and I don't notice, well, we have tests, and tests are about half the points of the class. So if you can't do this on your own without like some computer helping you, you're going to fail those tests, which means you're going to fail the class. So absolutely, this is a class about you doing the work, you learning how to do it, not learning to use a tool to do it. So make sure you are writing the projects, and the tests will be relatively easy. So that's kind of the last little point I have on that. So this is week 4. Mostly it's just working on a project. If you have any problems or questions, just shoot me a message or stop by my office or whatever you need to do, and I will be happy to kind of hopefully turn you in the right direction if you're having any issues.